I'm back in the National Forest here in early March. We're gonna tackle Hagar Mountain. We're gonna follow this trail all the way up to the top. It's got some pretty cool views up there from what it sounds like. So let's go up there, find a good spot, and see what we get into. Right behind me here is Baldwin Creek. It's a creek that runs through and crosses this trail. It has this waterfall, supposedly. I was hoping to get some water from it actually, but it is totally frozen over. I think we're about halfway to the top, so let's keep her moving. This trail was actually a bit challenging to follow at times, but thanks to these pink ribbons marking the trail and my impeccable tracking skills, I was able to find where I needed to go. Well, we did it. We summited Hagar Mountain. Now we gotta find a good spot. It's definitely windy up here, so definitely want to kind of find a spot that's tucked away so that I'm not getting blasted by the wind all night long. I'm thinking there must have been a fire lookout tower here before. It seemed like a pretty solid foundation. I tested them pretty thoroughly. I also decided to do my part, do a little restoration, chip in for the cause. I think I found a spot to set up my shelter. It is a little bit of a tight space though, so it'll take a little puzzling, but I think I can figure it out. I'm pretty sure I can make it happen. This tree is a little bit in the way of what I'm trying to do, so I'm just going to tie a line to it and pull it out of the way so I don't have to like damage it or cut it down, and then when I'm done, it'll just be back to where it was. All right, after much effort, the shelter's done. Is it pretty? No. Did I make it easy to get in and out of? No. Was it quick? No. Is it practical? I'm not sure. But it is done. I'm gonna take a little break. I am very hungry, and you know what that means. It's time for Jesse's cooking show. I forgot what it's called, so I just mumbled and kind of hoped you wouldn't notice. We've got chipotle mayo, oil, garlic chicken, tortillas, and peppers that are leaking. Oh! And cheese! Alright, here's the plan, Stan. We're gonna throw everything in a pot with a little bit of oil and then just let it all heat up. I'm so hungry. The cheese, we're not gonna throw it because I gotta boil water in this later. So the cheese stays out. Peppers, chicken in. Oh, that's it. Slap a lid on it. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but maybe it'll like steam it or something. I don't know. Start on the fire. Make way, boys. Not that it's gonna look any different than when I put it in, but there you go. A little bit of that in the tortilla. Yeah. That's good. It's real good. Another. This is way too big. I feel like a gorilla holding this. A man's got to eat. Another! This chipotle mayo really makes it. Number 4, my lord. My last video was supposed to be a mukbang, and instead I just got really sad. So I didn't make a lot of food. I guess we're trying again this weekend. Oh, not full. Another. I'm not gonna have to eat for days after this. So full. But am I? I like to call this one number 5. Definitely slowing down. Another! Number 6, my lord. Oh, my goodness. Still good. Still good. 6 was good, but I wonder about 7. Oh, there's enough for one more. I'm very full. But you know what? Mama didn't raise no quitter. Number 8, my lord. There we go. Bon appetit. Wait, you're supposed to say that at the start. What do you say at the end? It's been a good ride. What is this? There's a stick in my beard. Victory. Was it a necessary battle? No. But did I win? Yes. Oh, sorry, forgot to turn the mic on. I'll just try to recreate this the best I can. Ah, morning. I'm pretty toasty warm in here. I don't want to get out. But there's a bear over there. I should probably figure that out. Hey bear. Hey bear. Back up. Don't. Wait, what? Oh. What, a potluck? Oh yeah, no, actually I'm gonna be heading out this morning, but thank you. That's very generous. Thanks for the invite. How about this view right outside your front door though, huh? Well, that's going to be it for me on this one. It's a fun trip, cool spot. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, hey. That's a first.